This is what it looks like when a tunnel boring machine breaks through a mountain. It works like a steel dragon, roaming deep underground. It enters one side of the mountain, emerges from the other, and leaves behind a wide underground tunnel. And it doesn't just drill in a straight line. It can even curve mid-route. At the front of the machine is a massive rotating cutter head, covered with 5 different types of tools, such as cutting blades and leading cutters. Each has its own purpose, making it easy to break through rocks, sand, and soil inside the mountain. The working principle is fairly simple. A hydraulic system behind the cutter head pushes it forward while it rotates and cuts. The excavated rock and soil are collected inside the cutter head and carried out of the tunnel by a central conveyor belt. When the machine encounters wet, loose soil, slurry is injected behind the cutter head, mixed with the soil, and then pumped out together, transported out of the tunnel. Every time the TBM advances about 6.5 feet, the cutter head stops rotating, and the hydraulic cylinders retract. Then, workers install precast tunnel lining segments along the newly excavated section. This step prevents collapses and water leaks. Cement is also injected into the gaps between the lining and the surrounding ground for reinforcement. Once that's complete, the hydraulic system pushes the cutter head back into position, and the boring continues, step by step, digging and reinforcing, until the machine finally breaks through the mountain, and the tunnel is complete.